In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trend lines in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just stepping into the world of financial markets, understanding how to draw trend lines can be immensely useful for analyzing price movements and predicting market trends. So, let's dive straight into the process. First, you need to launch TradingView and open the chart you want to analyze. Now, over on the left side of your screen, you'll see a toolbar packed with a variety of options. What we're looking for is the Drawing Tools icon. Go ahead and tap on that icon. This opens up a menu with several drawing options designed to help traders mark patterns and trends visible on their charts. Now that the drawing tools are visible, the next step is to click on the Trend Line tool from the presented options. The Trend Line is a fundamental tool for technical analysis, as it allows us to visually represent and make sense of the historical highs, lows, or specific price points on the chart. By selecting this tool, we can start to lay out a clear path of where the market could be heading based on historical data. Once you've selected the Trendline tool, it's time to put it to use on your chart. You need to tap 2 points on the chart to form the basis of the trend line. Think of these 2 points as the anchors of your line. Ideally, you want to choose significant highs or lows depending on the trend you're trying to identify. This can be extremely helpful in spotting upward or downward slopes that signify bullish or bearish trends. After you've chosen your 2 points, you might find the need to adjust them a bit for more precision. Simply hold the points to adjust the line. You want the trend line to be as accurate as possible to provide meaningful insights. At this stage, it's worth considering using the magnet mode feature available in TradingView. This feature allows for precise snaps to the chart's data points, making your trend line align perfectly with the critical highs or lows you're targeting. Magnet mode can greatly enhance the precision of your technical analysis, and it's a real-time saver for ensuring your lines are perfectly laid out. So, there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding trend lines in TradingView. By mastering these basic steps, you can develop a more refined approach to analyzing and predicting market trends. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, as you get more comfortable with these tools, you'll be able to layer in more sophisticated analysis over time, enabling you to make more informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more TradingView tips and tricks.